Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to hide your TikTok story, whether you want to keep it private from everyone or just show it to friends. Let's jump right in. Open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, you'll see your stories listed, right alongside your regular posts and drafts. Now tap on the story you want to hide. Then tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, select Privacy Settings. You'll now see a few visibility options. Everyone. This means anyone can view your story. Friends. Only people you follow back can see it. Only me. This hides the story from everyone else. You'll still see it, but no one else will. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't currently let you select specific users to hide your story from, but switching to Only Me is the best option if you want to keep it completely private. And that's all there is to it. If this helped you out, make sure to leave a comment below, give the video a like, and subscribe for more simple TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.